Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to create this and they've got it partially done. They sent it to me, but they say when let's just do it. When they get the interactive fill tool and swipe up, it fills in those blank spots. Now, it took me a little while to figure it out. Even though there doesn't look like lines, there's still lines there. That's why I don't ever take away lines. I do this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lines and I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 3 inches. And I'm going to create a new object. I'm actually going to use the same, well, I'm going to use red. And I'm going to hit that and nudge it over and hit that and nudge it over. And now group that together, get rid of this. And now when we take away the fill, there's no lines. And that's his problem. So get the interactive fill tool and swipe up and do that right there. And you have that. I don't know how he rotated it, but I'm going to use the transformation. I've already done it. Transformation docker. I'm going to alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page. And I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform. Yours might say Transformation. We need 24, but we've already got one at 15 degrees. And you come up with that. If I was going to do it again, I'd make the lines a little thicker and maybe make my space a little less. But it's still a cool effect. Because it looks like it's over under kind of, and nothing's really touching. Anyway, I hope that helped that person a little bit. Thank you for watching.